No half tobacco. Kush, tobacco. There's no smoking. But I'm pretty sure the top of the bin will probably have about 3 or 4 butts. Yeah. It's a cool little watery display item there, you know. Wonder if there's any fountains in it or if it kicks off. It's fairly bit run down, not well maintained. Anyway, hopefully we can get out on the other side here and then walk the main streets. Just give you the overall view, the size of the town. See, a lot of people when they travel to Ireland, I was letting you listen to the boys tweet there, they want to come here for the peace and quiet. So a lot of people will want to recluse, is that the right word? Basically get away from it all. But you might want the option of, you know, going in to get a nice meal and have a few pints and meet the local people who seem friendly enough. I'd say that's the main road up there. So we'll go around this way. So a lot of people, when they're travelling to Ireland, they might want to come out to the country. They don't want to stay in the city centre. So little towns like this might be alluring to them. So this is one of the videos. Plus I've never been here. Who knows, you know? You might want to come here after this. Like, they have a basketball court. Don't know many Irish people who can play basketball well. I have a mate in work who's 6'3" and he plays good. But he's Italian. So yeah, doesn't count then. We're being watched for safety and everything else. Right. Let us remember. Memory of deceased members of the Organisation of National Ex-Servicemen and Women and the Defence Forces. Erected in 1986. Yeah, it's gonna go 1886, isn't it? Someone will knock me down on that. Coming up to the main road here. It's kind of parallel to the road we just walked down. And we're going to head back into the town. So there might be some old buildings at the edge. Usually you see the old buildings at the edge of the town. And you see first signs of life being a pub. Usually. I'd say this is probably the courthouse. Perhaps. Doesn't really look churchy. And that's a big library. If it is a library. So let's see if we can find out what it is. In a public office. It's probably like a registry office. So that's the local park. So in terms of scale, that would be probably, you know, Central Park. And the rest of this would be Manhattan, and these 3-story buildings would be, you know, the skyscrapers. That would be your equivalent. So that would be your scale, because I'm walking around this. you know. And that's what I like about the early mornings. Only people in cars, everybody else is home over. And it's always usually a weekend unless I have days off. So weekends you have people just lying in, taking lazy days, coming over. Or if you're young,